Kondosan.
Once upon a time, in a painting studio, Artist Goat was painting as usual. But she was not in a good mood that day.
This isn't right. This isn't right.
Inventor Goat was curious when she heard her sister grumbling.
What's going on, sister?
I can't get the right shade of red.
I think all of those shades are red.
No, look. This is lobster red. This is apple red. This is rose red. This is tomato red.
So,
I want it to be as red as Mars.
Mars? The planet Mars? That Mars? If you want, you can use my spaceship to go there.
Really? Can I go?
Of course.
Cool, because I ran out of the solar system colors. Moon white, Neptune blue, and Saturn yellow.
As the two sisters continued talking about colours, someone else was also listening, and it was no other than the Wicked Wolf.
Mars red? Neptune blue? I bet cans of paint with those colors are expensive. I'm going to be rich! Rich!
Artist Goat was excited to set off on her space journey. Artist Goat landed on the moon first. She could get some moon white.
Wow! Look at that! This paint glitters!
Then she went to Mars for some red paint.
Ouch! Rover, leave me alone! Let me go! Ah!
Such a beautiful red!
Then, Artist Goat went to Neptune.
Super cold!
A bright blue paint!
On her way back, she also landed on Saturn. She found the best copper tone of yellow.
Hey! Don't leave me!
After a long journey, she finally entered the Earth's atmosphere. When they landed on the farm, Artist Goat was excited to start painting again.
Hello, canvas. I'm back. I'm going to create beautiful paintings.
Hello, market! I'll sell all these paintings and get rich!
Then the wolf tripped and fell. All the paints got mixed.
Oh no, it can't be!
Wolf, what are you doing here?
Oh no, I tried to sort out these colors all day long. Is this Mars red?
No, it's carrot orange now.
And this?
Sadly, it turned into a great purple.
I want my mama!
On a beautiful spring afternoon, the little artist goat was painting a landscape on her canvas. The little artist goat loved painting. Whenever she painted, she focused on her task. It was so much fun for her that time flew by.
I'm not saying this because I painted it, but this painting came out really good.
It is such a good painting, but how?
As always, the wolf was jealous of the little goat's talent.
Artist, yeah, right. You couldn't even draw my tail.
The bad wolf was confident that he could do a better job.
Everyone will see who's the best painter in town. That conceited goat will be embarrassed to call herself an artist.
That's such a funny painting, Wolf. What exactly did you paint?
Huh? Isn't it obvious? It's a self-portrait. Doesn't it look like me? Don't I look handsome?
But this looks more like a monkey.
The little artist goat isn't here. I'll put my plan into work. Since your painting is not quite beautiful, let me add a little touch here and there to make it more beautiful.
What is this white smudge? Oh no, my painting is ruined.
Ha! Panda bear and elephant are coming. When they see your painting, they'll know who the best artist is.
Welcome, guys. Let me explain my painting.
Whoa! It's fantastic. The snowflakes on the flowers are beautiful. Amazing. You can express so much emotion in a painting. Ooh.
I'm so happy to hear that you liked my painting so much.
What? I painted those snowflakes. Those ignorant animals don't understand anything about art.
Eventually, the wicked wolf's plan failed once again. After Rapunzel got rid of the evil witch and married Prince Harry, she lived happily in the palace. But the witch was not about to give up after having lost Rapunzel to the prince.
I have to find a way to get Rapunzel back. She is mine.
So the witch finally came up with a plan.
It's done. Now it's time to give this tainted apple to Rapunzel.
The witch, disguised as a villager, made her way to the palace. It was not difficult for her to trick the guards at the gate and get in.
I picked the most delicious fruits from my garden for Princess Rapunzel. I would like to give them to her myself.
Rapunzel was walking in the palace gardens that day, admiring the colourful flowers around her.
What beautiful flowers you are. You smell so good too.
Good day, my dear princess.
Hello, who are you?
I'm a poor villager who really admires you. I brought you these fruits from my garden.
Oh, that's very kind of you. Thank you so much.
The witch took the contaminated apple from her basket and handed it to Rapunzel.
My fruits are very special. Taste it, my princess. You'll agree with me.
Is that so? Okay, let me taste it.
When Rapunzel ate the tainted apple, she fell asleep on the spot and suddenly became invisible.
Now I can get you out of the palace without being seen.
The witch took Rapunzel and left without anyone knowing. She took her far away to a house on a mountain where she chained her by her feet.
What happened? Where am I?
You will be here for the rest of your life. You shouldn't have married Prince Harry. It's your own doing.
Oh no! You again! Please let me go.
Let you go again? Never! You belong to me.
Before the witch left the house every day, Rapunzel was forced to drink a potion that made her invisible.
Let's drink this. You'll remain invisible until I get back. This way, no one will be able to find you.
As she cried by the window, Rapunzel heard a song coming from outside.
I can see you, but your crying breaks my heart. Who are you, mysterious girl?
I'm Rapunzel. Who are you?
I'm Ladybug the singer. I sing while I play my guitar.
Help me, please. The witch has imprisoned me here.
Of course, but why I can't see you?
Because the witch forces me to drink a potion every day that turns me invisible, so nobody can see me.
But it's hard for me to help you if I can't see you.
I'm chained. The potion the witch gave me is on the table. Can you do something about that?
Well, this is easy.
The ladybug immediately entered the house.
Blackberries! This is great!
He made a mix with the blackberries and the potion and then poured the mixture into the bottle.
It's done. No more invisibility.
The next day, before the witch left the house, she forced her to drink the potion again.
Invisible princess, drink it.
The witch did not doubt that Rapunzel would become invisible, so she left the house.
Where are you, Ladybug? You're supposed to help me escape.
I'm here. I can see you now.
Thanks to you, I'm no longer invisible. But how do I get out of these chains?
I know where the witch put the key.
Really?
Yes, I will bring it to you.
The ladybug entered the house and climbed directly onto the kitchen counter.
Here it is. Hooray! It's done. You are free now.
Thank you so much. But where are we? How will I get back home?
Good question. I didn't think of that detail. Where do you live?
I live in the palace, in Prince Harry's country.
Oh, wow! That's really far. It's impossible for you to go there by yourself.
I must go back. Is there another way?
Actually, there is a way.
How?
Come, I'll show you.
The ladybug took Rapunzel to the barn behind the house.
Here, she's the only one who can take you home.
A unicorn! How beautiful!
The ladybug told her that the witch mistreated the unicorn and forced her to do heavy work.
This poor unicorn also wants to get free from the witch. But only you can untie the ropes.
The witch is so wicked. If you save me, I will be forever grateful.
Of course I'll help you. These ropes are so tight. Ugh!
Try using that axe over there.
Okay, you're free.
Come on, let's escape before the witch comes back. I will take you home.
But just then, the wicked witch showed up.
Hold it! Where do you guys think you're going? Ouch! Who did that? My head! I'll show you. You can't run from me.
She's getting closer. Let's go faster.
You can't run away! Wait! Wait! Wait!
After they managed to escape, Rapunzel thanked Ladybug for his help. She and the unicorn headed to the palace. Prince Harry was concerned about Rapunzel and was very happy to see her return to the palace. Rapunzel didn't want to let go of the unicorn.
Will you stay with me? I'll take good care of you.
You're a kind princess. Yes, I'll stay with you.
So the two good friends lived happily in the palace. Once upon a time, Rapunzel lived happily in the palace, where she spent her time with her unicorn.
Dear unicorn, I think it's time to choose a name for you.
Yes, that would be lovely. Do you have a name in mind for me?
You saved me from the witch. So how about Hero? What do you think?
I think it suits me. I really like the name.
The weather is beautiful today. How about a little ride, Hero?
Great idea, princess. Let's go.
So Rapunzel and Hero went for a ride in the lush countryside.
It's so beautiful. Can you smell the spring flowers?
Yes, but I see some clouds rolling in. It might rain.
Indeed, it started to rain. But this did not spoil Rapunzel's good spirits.
Let it be. It's also nice to get wet in the spring rain.
Then the rain stopped and the sun came out again. Rapunzel was amazed at what she saw.
Do you see that, Hero? What a gorgeous rainbow!
Yes, it's really beautiful.
Oh, I wish I could pass under it.
We can try. Hold on tight.
Hero galloped with Rapunzel on her back. They managed to pass under the rainbow. And suddenly, they found themselves in a different world.
Wow! What is this place? Where are we?
This must be the elves' rainbow land. I've heard their stories from my great ancestors.
But why does everyone here look unhappy?
Some of them are even crying. I don't get it.
Let's ask this old man. Excuse me, could you tell us why everyone is so sad in your village? That is so sad.
We can't be happy anymore. You don't want to know what happened to us.
The old man explained that the witch of the dark land had cast a spell and turned their princess into an ivy. If they don't break the spell, the princess will have to be an ivy forever.
That's why everyone in the village is so sad.
I'm so sorry to hear that. Where's your princess? Maybe we can help.
Come with me.
Oracle took Rapunzel and Hero to the ivy on the side of the house.
Here is our princess. Her name is Crying Ivy, as her tears never stop.
Have you ever asked or researched if there's a way to fix it?
The old man explained that in order to break the spell, it was necessary to take the witch's magic orb.
If the light of the sphere is reflected on the ivy, only then will the spell be broken and our princess will be back to normal.
Hero, how about we go together and get that magic orb and bring it back to the village?
Yes, let's do it. I can't take the witch's wickedness anymore.
The old man got happy when he heard this.
I think I'll come with you. I have some magic to protect you against the witch's spells.
Are you a magician?
I am an oracle. I know some magic. But I can't deal with the witch alone because I'm old.
Let's go then.
They rode on Hero's back and set out for the witch's castle. But they were unaware that a pair of evil eyes was watching them.
How dare these goons enter my dark country?
When they arrived at the castle, Oracle handed a mirror to Rapunzel.
This mirror is magical, and it'll protect you against the witch's spells.
Hero, you wait for us here.
Be careful, Rapunzel.
You entered my castle, huh? If that's the way you want to play, then let's see.
This is the witch's welcome, but these bats won't like this powder at all. We must go to the castle tower. The magic orb is there.
Let's go!
Rapunzel and Oracle headed for the stone steps.
So you're trying to get my magic orb? Come on and let me see.
Oracle, be careful! I got you. Let's try. Ugh!
Thanks, brave girl.
This time, the witch appeared before Rapunzel and suddenly turned into a fire-breathing dragon.
I will scorch you good.
Use the mirror.
No! I'm burning!
Run fast. The magic orb. There it is.
Rapunzel immediately ran and took the magic orb.
It's done. Now we can go.
She and Oracle descended quickly into the courtyard and mounted on Hero's back, who was waiting for them.
So you got the orb. That's great.
Let's get out of here now.
You can't go anywhere. Come here.
Let go of me! Help!
You asked for it, Wicked Witch. Take this.
Come on, Hero. Get us out of here.
You'll see. Don't run. I will destroy you.
While the witch was shouting at them, our heroes managed to escape and return to the elves' village with the magic orb.
Now we can turn the princess back to normal. Yes, it's working!
As the weeping ivy slowly turns into a beautiful princess, something unexpected happened.
The magic sphere shattered.
The witch will no longer be able to cast spells.
Our princess is back. Hooray!
Look, Hero. The princess is as beautiful as a fairy.
Elves joyfully surrounded their princess.
Long live our princess! Hooray!
Without you, we would never have gotten our princess back. We are grateful to you.
Oracle told the princess what had happened. The elf princess also thanked Rapunzel and Hero.
We're so glad you broke the witch's spell. We're happy to have met you. Goodbye.
And so Rapunzel and Hero set off for their home, happy to have saved the princess.
Kondosan